Justice Nduma Nderi in employment and labor relations matters came back to haunt him during the interview in search of the 7th judge of the Supreme Court. Justice Nderi, however, claimed to have a wide experience in all areas in the judiciary. His counterpart, Dr. Nyaberi Lumumba, who is vying for the same position, would come under scrutiny over his failed attempt to revitalize a KCC. Dr. Nyaberi instead saying he did not make it and was kicked out after he stepped on people's toes as he called for an overhaul of judicial reforms.
On the second day of the ongoing search for the 7th judge of the Supreme Court, occasioned by the retirement of Justice Dr. Justice Nduma Nderi will appear for the second time before the Judicial Service Commission. Nderi, who boasts of over 30 years of legal practice, majorly based on employment and labor relations, will have his hallmarks come to haunt him, with commissioners questioning if he'll be able to handle other areas.
The background, you need a lot of dusting up or catching up.
I am very familiar with constitutional concepts.
Questioning on regional balance that is applied in most government positions, Nderi will stay away, urging the JC to instead consider integrity, competence and suitability.
Where is our balance in the Supreme Court? Where shall we find it? Shall we find it in regional and ethnic diversity? Or shall we find it in the diversity of minds?
The second candidate, 56-year-old Dr. Nyaberi Lumumba, will be put under tight scrutiny on his scholarly work, where part of his books were published by an NGO, where he's part of the founders.
Disturbing then that an NGO that you are running then publishes your books where you have the final say.
The NGO which we run has two departments. One department is publication, which is run by somebody else.
His failed attempt to revitalize KCC for about 3 years will also play out.
When I started engineering the organization, we had to close some centers where we felt we were making losses. As we closed those centers, we stepped on people's foot, okay? As you, obviously, if you step on people's foot and they are strong enough, they'll want you out.
Dr. Nyaberi also finds the criticism on the majority judgment of Raila 2017 petition that the court looked at qualitative instead of quantitative to be wrong. Dr. Nderi, however, pointed that the judiciary needs to focus on timely delivery of judgments to curb corruption. On Wednesday, Justice William Ouko, Justice Joseph Sergon and Ali Siano will face the JC panel. For Channel 1 News, I'm Sarafina Robbie.